Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about what to do when endo diet don't work. So if you are one of those girls who think, okay, I try it but it didn't really work for me, please stay tuned because I've got something to tell you at the end of this video. First of all, you need to know that we are living in the world with a global pandemic of chronic illnesses. And sometimes it feels like everything from every corner, wherever you turn, is designed to make you sick. You don't believe me? Have a look at this. The food that we're supposed to consume, that's supposed to nourish us, is actually killing us. The society that's supposed to take care of us told us that the only acceptable way is the fast way. So we live in fast life, we love fast, we party very hard and very fast, and we eat fast. And of course all of this have its own consequences. Then there is the beauty industry that is supposed to take care of our body, and instead it's making us more sick. There is a pandemic of infertility. It wasn't like that before. Microplastic being found in our bloodstream. There are babies who are being born with microplastic in their bodies. So we are getting sick, our children are getting sick, but other people profit. Fast food industry profits go up. Big pharma profits. Infertility clinics profit. Only you are responsible of breaking this cycle. You know, keeping healthy is the ultimate act of rebellion against all this sick system. Because to be honest, no one else cared. No one else cared about you. I can assure you that your doctor don't care about you. Do you think the moment when you get out from his office that he's thinking about you? That he ever think, oh, how she's doing? I can assure you that he's going back to his home and is focused on his life. Do you think the politicians care about you? Do you think the government care about you? Really? We had the global pandemic. What the governments did? They never told you how to take care of your immune system. They never told you what is destroying your immune system. They never told you what is affecting your immune system and how can you maintain it for life. We just have one body. What the government did instead? They told you to wash your hands and had a jab. They never told you what is killing your immune system. Now, painful truth. You told me that the endo diet didn't work. I tried it and it didn't work. I've got the news for you, girl. This is not something that you just try on for a week, 2, or 1 month. This is something you have to embody and something you need to become. This has to be your second nature. Endo diet is nothing else but the human diet. It's not very demanding. You're basically eating what your ancestors used to eat. And it worked because otherwise you wouldn't be here listening to me. I wouldn't be here talking to you. Anti-inflammatory diet is not some kind of invention. This is how we're supposed to live. My grandmother called it food. Now we call it organic. How the hell did we come up to this? So if your endo diet didn't work, sit with yourself and be very honest. Did I really embody a healthy way of living? Or did I just try it on? Like I try on the dress for summer. Because girl, if you just try it on, it will never work. I know that you came here to find a solution, but this is hard truth. Taking care of your body should be something that you never compromise against. And don't care about your friends. Oh, what my friends gonna think? Oh, they're gonna think I'm the only one who don't eat, don't that. My friends know that too. They also know that Jola don't do crack cocaine, you know? And if they offer to me, I would say no. The same if they offer me something what I don't eat, because I know my body don't like it, my body don't tolerate it. And because I eat clean, it helped me to keep this illness into remission. So girl, you've got literally two choices. Take care responsibility of your health, or make excuses and go back to the square one over and over and over again. But when you do, they will profit and they don't care. They want you to be that way, because the patient cured is the customer lost.